A pleasant morning, everyone. This is Edna M. Bayan, Principal of Malabag Elementary School, the co-author of the action research entitled Journey to Cory Through Spears, Speech and Pronunciation Enhanced Accelerated Reading System, a tool to bridge the gap in reading amidst the pandemic. And with me is the main author of this action research in the person of Dr. Marites T. Toledo, Master Teacher 2 of Malabag Elementary School. Rationale. From the beginning on the spread of COVID-19 disrupted virtually every aspect of life. The education of all learners was affected. The Philippine education system in its present situation is embracing the educational challenges resulted to pandemic brought about by the COVID-19 professional development.
The study made use of quantitative research and pre-experimental in nature. In pre-experimental design, one group is exposed to a treatment or condition and measured afterwards to see if there were any effects. One group pretest post-test study was employed in this research. The target pupils were treated using Project Spears through Spears. Checklists were provided to assess pupils who passed and failed the 3 levels. Pupils who fall into the 3 level undergo the reading intervention. Close monitoring of the learners were implemented. Table 1 presents the pupils' reading comprehension skills before Project Cory was utilized. Before Project Cory, 2 Spears was used, 33 or 100% of the target students were frustrated with their reading comprehension abilities as seen in the Table 1. Table 3 presents the significant difference between the pre-test and post-test reading comprehension skills of the target pupils. Based from the table, the computed t-value of 6.01 is higher than the critical values of 2.069 and 2.345 at 0.05 and 0.01 levels of confidence, respectively, with 19 degrees of freedom. The null hypothesis is rejected. It is therefore concluded that there is a significant difference between the pre-test and post-test reading comprehension skills of the target pupils. Therefore, Project Cory 2 Spears is an effective intervention to improve students' reading comprehension abilities. The following conclusions were drawn. First, before Project Cory 2 Spears was implemented, all of the target students had a high level of frustration with their reading comprehension skills. Second, after Project Cory 2 Spears was used, the majority of the target students belonged to the instructional reading competency level in terms of comprehension. Third, between the pre-test and post-test, the target students' reading comprehension abilities differed noticeably. Therefore, Project Cory 2 Spears is a successful intervention to improve students' reading comprehension abilities. The following is strongly recommended based on the study's findings and conclusion. First, implement Project Cory with all key Stage 1 students to help them all develop their reading comprehension abilities. Second, the school administration must keep an eye on the reading intervention. Third, similar research should be done in the future to support the efficacy of the intervention. And lastly, it is strongly advised that the proposed action plan created in this study be put into action. And here is the action plan for reading. Listed are the references used in this study. That's all. To God